Welcome. Please proceed inside.
The blood panel results look excellent.
Yes, the mineral supplements are clearly working. Body condition score is ideal.
The proximal width is stable at 14.2 centimeters.
Acknowledged. The 3D model confirms the growth rate.
The renal functions look optimal across the board.
Confirmed. The cellular regeneration markers are also elevated.
Everything looks excellent, heartbeat is perfectly regular, and the ocular scan is clear.
Healthy as can be. We can prep him for recovery now. The structural integrity scan is almost complete.
Look at the detail on the curvature.
Yes, the mapping resolution is exceptional.
This batch looks good. Check the edges on that pallet over there. All right, I'll mark this one for immediate processing.
This stretch mark here seems significant.
The gauge confirms it exceeds the tolerance level for prime grade. We should mark this as secondary. The probe reads 42, right on target.
Good, keep it steady for the next cycle.
The automated system safely removes the hair. Using these rollers, look at the pressure gauge here.
Check this spot near the edge.
Looks clear. Roll it forward. The laser calibration is perfect on the Brahman.
Yes, the edges are flawless.
robotic presses gently contour every panel, while climate-controlled systems stabilize the leather structure.
We need the titanium alloy for this structural joint. Standard grade won't handle the stress.
Agreed. I've updated the robotic inventory to prioritize the specialized batch. The precision on the curvature is flawless. Zoom in on sector gamma.
Data integrity is at 99.8%.
Can we get a better angle on this curve right there? Yes, I'm adjusting the robotic arm now, capturing the shot.